Welcome to CT Academy. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of data privacy and security. Let's explore how you can protect your sensitive information in the digital age. Data privacy is all about ensuring that personal and sensitive information is handled responsibly. With the rise of digital data, protecting this information has never been more important. Why is data privacy important? It helps prevent identity theft, protects personal and financial information, and ensures compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. What is data security? Data security involves implementing measures to protect data from unauthorized access, breaches, and cyber attacks. It's a critical aspect of maintaining trust and integrity in any organization. Here are some best practices for data privacy. Use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious about sharing personal information online. For data security, ensure your software is up to date, use encryption to protect sensitive data, and regularly back up your data to prevent loss. Compliance with data privacy regulations is essential. Familiarize yourself with laws like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA to ensure your organization meets all legal requirements. Stay aware of emerging threats like phishing, ransomware, and social engineering attacks. Continuous education and vigilance are key to staying protected. Protecting data privacy and security is a shared responsibility. By following these best practices, you can help safeguard your information and maintain trust in the digital world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CT Academy for more insightful content. To learn more about data privacy, visit our website